Hello. Okay, it's been a little while. Here's my Jeep Wrangler with the JKU and my consensors. I've had this lady about a year. I have never re-blackened, albeit obsessed with, washed, and done other things. The fender flares or black parts on the Jeep. Through extensive research, I found recommendations from this product by Lucas, Meguire's Gold Glass, and that's Car Wash shampoo and conditioner, and Armor All, Outlast. And I will say I've had a little input on the Armor All, and a lot of people say it collects dust and not to use it as much, so I'll check back in a little while and see how it goes, but that's by far my favorite. So easy to put on, it almost seems like too good to be true. Now this is a spray, you leave it on and wipe it off. It leaves a little bit of a white film. So I did see it gathering a little bit of dust already. And this here is Meguire's Gold. And that one, kind of generic. I mean, I get more of a shine using Dawn dishwashing with water. Although I do like it. It seems a little bit waxier. So maybe it will maintain, and because you know how textured this is, the dark color a little bit better. Now this stuff here, you can see the bumper. I did that half, but not that. And see here how easy that is, and that's dry. So all you do is put it on.